Hello and welcome to Lovely English Stories. Thank you for stopping by. This story is written for intermediate English learners. Ready? Let's get started. B1, B2 English story. My new routine. I have decided that I am going to start waking up earlier than usual. I am trying to set a better routine for myself. Lately, I have got into some bad habits, like staying up late watching YouTube videos when I should be reading or sleeping. I've also started snacking too much, and I've not been exercising enough. I have become too sedentary. As the weather is getting warmer, I have decided that I will wake up early and go for a run before it gets too hot. This morning, I set my alarm for 6 a.m, but I ended up staying in bed until 7 a.m, when I finally got up and put my running gear on. I had a quick drink of water and then set off. I didn't run for too long, just 20 minutes. But it was far enough to get my blood pumping and to wake me up. I always like to listen to music when I run. It distracts me from what I'm doing. I daydream about the songs or pretend I'm on stage singing them. As soon as the music stops, I feel instantly tired and struggle to keep going. So it's important that I have a motivating playlist to listen to. I have decided to get up earlier and go for a run 3 times a week, as I hope it will set me up for the day in a positive state of mind. After my run today, I cooled down for 5 minutes and then had a shower. As I was working from home, I checked a few emails and sorted a few things with my colleagues. Then I made myself some breakfast. I'm trying to be healthier, so I didn't allow myself anything naughty. I had a bowl of porridge with some chia seeds. I like to make it with milk. When it's hot, I put a little sprinkling of sugar on the top. I also made myself a cup of tea. I know sugar isn't very healthy, but it was only a little bit. I ate my breakfast as I replied to some more messages from my workmates, and then I started on my tasks for the day. I've had quite a few meetings today. Sometimes I feel like we have meetings about meetings and nothing ever gets decided. But today wasn't one of those days. Today was a productive day, and I got a lot of jobs ticked off my list of things to do. It felt good. I finished work at 4 p.m. as I wanted to go to the local shopping centre and buy some things for my holiday. I'm going to Spain next month with my friend. I can't wait to relax and stop thinking about work for a week. I bought some sun cream, shampoo, conditioner, body lotion, 2 swimsuits, a pair of shorts and a sun hat. I wanted to get a book, but I think I might get that from the airport. On my way back from the shopping centre, I listened to my Spanish language CD in my car. I am a beginner, but I want to know the basic phrases for when we go to supermarkets and restaurants. I think it's polite to try and know at least the basics when visiting a different country. When I got home, I did some stretching. I'm trying to work on my posture. Sitting at a desk all day isn't particularly good for my back. I followed a Pilates routine on YouTube. Then I had a quick shower. I had dinner later than usual today, but luckily it was all prepared. Yesterday I made a big lasagna, so I cut off a piece and heated it up. I also added some salad and a slice of homemade garlic bread. I love Italian food. Sometimes I think I should live in Italy, but then I know I would put on a lot of weight because I can't get enough of Italian dishes. After I cleared away the pots from dinner, I relaxed in front of the television. I watched a couple of episodes of my favourite series on Netflix, and then I went up to bed and read a few pages of my book. As I am trying to set myself a better routine, I didn't allow myself to look at my phone once I got into my bedroom. Now I am writing this all down in my diary after reading my book. I hope I'll sleep better. Tomorrow I'll wake up early and do some stretches, and then the day after I'll wake up early and run. Let's hope I can keep this up and feel fitter, faster, and healthier in time for my holiday next month. Now let's go through some of the vocabulary. The first 4 words are advanced English words. After that, they're all intermediate. Sedentary. Sedentary means involving a lot of sitting and not much exercise. Sprinkling. Sprinkling. A sprinkling is a small amount of a liquid or a substance, such as sugar or snow, on the surface of something. Motivating. Motivating. If someone or something is motivating, they are able to make someone eager to want to do something. Posture. Posture. Posture is the position that your body is in when you sit, stand, or walk. Now let's look at the intermediate words. Distract. To distract. To distract is to make someone stop giving their attention to something. Instantly. Instantly means immediately. Naughty. Naughty. A naughty adult does something that they know they should not do. Pretend. To pretend. To pretend is to behave in a particular way because you want someone to believe that something is true when it is not. Stretch. To stretch. To stretch is to make your arms, legs, or body as straight as possible so that your muscles become long and tight. Struggle. To struggle. To struggle is to find something difficult. Habit. Habit. A habit is something that you do often and regularly, sometimes without knowing that you are doing it. Routine. Routine. A routine is a usual or fixed way of doing things. We hope you enjoyed this lovely English story and the vocabulary explanations. Thank you for stopping by. Get productive and check out our language learning productivity packs on Etsy. Use code YouTube10 for 10% off. You can find the link in the description box below. And don't forget to like, subscribe and share. See you soon!